All right, guys, welcome again to the channel. All right, so this is going to be the next part of ASP.NET Core, creating your own online store. So thank you again for the new subscribers. Thank you guys. You guys been watching my videos. Perfect. So this video is going to be about, I'm going to show you guys how to upload the code into GitHub. So that way we're going to be in the same page. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I did. So I added the side panel here into the actual admin panel. So we're gonna add up little by little. We're gonna add up functionalities and more pages, and one for the products, the one for the categories. I so right now I added the side panel here. Also I added this little calculator that actually it works. Let me see. I added that. Let me see. Add plus 12 equals 24. So it actually works. So this whole side panel, I added that. So let me see. Let me go to pages. Not pages. Let me go inside to the pose, and let me go into input pose. So see right here, and this one I did not add it, but I will add it, the side panel over here. So this video I wanted to do is so you guys can have the GitHub, so that way you guys, in case you guys want to see the code, if you're behind or something, you guys can always go into this one and compare your code to mine and see if make sure it's in the right page. So so I'm gonna go ahead. This is the application here. The side panel, I created that. So whenever you guys gonna go into my GitHub, you guys should be able to add up. You should be able to see the one for the calculator, the admin panel, the admin sidebar, which is over here. So it's pretty much HTML. So every time I make a video, you guys can, that way you guys can have the access to that. So let me see. What else I did? Um, oh, inside the index and the layout, which is over here, I added the CSS. So you guys gonna have to, you're gonna have access to my CSS, which is over here. I have one for the calculator, one for the pose. So all of that. So you guys will be able, that way you guys can have this, you guys will be in the same page as me. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how, if you guys have Visual Studios, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure you create an account with GitHub. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Uh, okay, so I'm already logged into mine. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a name. This one I'm gonna call it let me call it I'm gonna call it online store app. Online store app right now. So now I'm gonna put this one that says enter a description. Okay, so this is gonna be, I'm gonna be online store with ASP.NET ASP.NET Core, like that. And then normally I select private, but I'm not gonna select private so you guys can have access to that. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna create in push. So all of that you guys will be able to access. So whenever I make a video and you guys, I'm gonna tell you guys, go to my GitHub, you can actually be able to access the HTML there. So all right, so pretty much all the packages that I'm using, they're there, the services, everything, the models, so everything will be there. So that way you guys can actually see the HTML. So that's that. And let me go to the GitHub and open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, so here it is. Here is the location. So you gotta go to my GitHub and look for online store, and you can actually see, and you can actually you can clone the packet. I mean the whole application there. So feel free to check it out. So, and also make sure you subscribe if you're not, if you're not haven't subscribed yet to the channel. But yeah, that's this is it right here. Okay, so I'm gonna continue uh I'm gonna go ahead and put the side panel here, everything, and then when I finish that, we're gonna focus about creating the one for products. So that's pretty much it. And we're gonna, we're gonna create one for search, and we're gonna do one for like notifications, messages, and when you register, but little by little. But I wanted to go ahead and you guys share my GitHub so you guys can, feel free to um to download the code if you guys like. So, but yeah, so this was a short video. Just wanted to share that with you guys. So make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure if you have any questions or anything, you make sure you leave in the bottom of the video a comment, or if you like it, or if you think what we can do to improve it, feel free to do that. So stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.